Once you have the class averages, the next statistical number you'll need is the standard deviation, which we'll talk about the meaning of that, but let's just get the number right now. So again, you'll highlight the box, and then this isn't as easy as average. Notice average was like one of the first things. You're going to have to do some scrolling and some scrolling till you get to statistical. And then there's even more scrolling because look at all these statistics you could have Google do. We're going to scroll down to standard deviation, the very first one that comes up. So you'll click standard STDEV and it'll do the same thing. What numbers would you like me to calculate for standard deviation? And you go back to the first column, highlight those numbers. Oops, all of them would be good. And hit return. There's your standard deviation. Let's do standard deviation for reading the colors on a Stroop card. So again, highlight box, go to the formulas, scroll down to statistical, and then find STDEV for standard deviation, highlight the numbers, return. Next one, formula box, scroll down to statistical, standard deviation, highlight, return. And last but not least, function, statistical, standard deviation, highlight, return. And there we have our statistical data that we will now analyze.